The Marshall Plan, named after U.S. Secretary of State George C. Marshall, was a program launched in 1948 to help rebuild the economies of Western Europe after World War II. The war had left much of Europe in ruins, with infrastructure destroyed, economies in shambles, and millions of people displaced or killed. The Marshall Plan was created to provide aid to these countries, to help them recover from the devastating effects of war and create a more stable and prosperous future. The Marshall Plan was a massive program of economic assistance, totaling over $13 billion in aid, equivalent to over $130 billion today. The plan offered loans, grants, and technical assistance to participating countries, with a focus on rebuilding infrastructure, boosting industrial production, and promoting international trade. The program was an enormous success, helping to fuel economic growth and recovery throughout Western Europe. Participating countries were able to use the aid to rebuild roads, bridges, and other critical infrastructure, which helped to improve transportation and communication systems. The aid also helped to boost industrial production, enabling countries to create new jobs and increase their overall productivity. In addition to its economic benefits, the Marshall Plan played an important role in promoting stability and cooperation in Europe. By providing aid to countries that had been on opposing sides during the war, the program helped to create a sense of shared purpose and common goals among participating countries. It also helped to reduce political tensions between the United States and Soviet Union, as both sides sought to gain influence in post-war Europe. The Marshall Plan was not without controversy, however. Some critics argued that the program was an attempt by the United States to gain economic and political dominance in Europe, while others saw it as a way to encourage the spread of capitalism and democracy. Despite these criticisms, the program was widely seen as a success and helped to create a more stable and prosperous future for Western Europe. Today, the Marshall Plan remains an important example of international cooperation and aid. Its legacy can be seen in the continued commitment of countries around the world to provide aid and support to those in need, and in the belief that through cooperation and shared goals, we can create a better future for all.